Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, power sun moonroof, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, FWD. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.